fuck. Oh, fuck. It's like in everywhere.
Oh, come out of it. Oh, it came out of here.
Where?
Here, we didn't put it back on the fucking...
Guys, I got a shirt. This is my house here. We'll run away.
Where's it coming out? Coming out of... It's dripping down from here.
It started on this side.
Wow.
Man, it's hard to trace it.